You're watching India Today with me, Nabila Jamal. I'm going to take you through the top news right after the headlines. But here's some big news coming in. Stampede at Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan. Stampede at Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan. News coming in of stampede at Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan. These are the visuals coming in. The Vaishno Devi tragedy now just unfolding. In fact, the stampede at Mata Vaishno Bhavan has been reported. Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine in Katra. At least 12 people have reportedly died. Casualties from Delhi, Haryana, Punjab and one from Jammu and Kashmir. More details currently awaited. The injured being taken to Narayana Hospital currently, and according to Dr. Gopal Dutt, the block medical officer, 13 people have been injured. Rescue operations that are currently underway. In fact, visuals coming in. Prime Minister Modi as well has tweeted, and I quote, he says, "Extremely saddened by the loss of lives due to stampede at the Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan. Condolences to the bereaved families. May the injured recover soon." This is Prime Minister Modi's tweet himself. At least 12 people have died in the stampede. This is a big news that we're currently tracking. More breaking news coming in. In fact, Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan stampede that's been reported occurred at around 2:45 a.m. according to initial reports. The incident, in fact, took place after an argument allegedly broke out, which resulted in people pushing each other, following which a tragic stampede that killed 12 people. Here's some terrible news coming in from the holy shrine, Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan. Let me quickly cut across to Jitendra Singh, the MOS, speaking to India Today. Let's take a listen. Right. So if you can take us through exactly what's happening at Mata Vaishno Devi. We believe that 12 people have died in a stampede that broke out post an argument. What really took place, and could that not have been controlled in the nick of time?
Yeah, you're right. It was around 2 o'clock or 2:30 this morning. There were some youngsters standing at gate number 3. And they were discussing something amongst themselves. I can't say for sure whether it was an argument or otherwise, but somehow in the course of their discussion amongst themselves, one of them got pushed. And then in the panic that ensued, they started running here there. Then one followed the other, and we lost 12 lives. The reassuring part of it, out of this entire tragedy, is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is himself, right from the beginning, keeping a track, speaking personally to all the functionaries there, all the officers, the Lieutenant Governor, and trying to provide all kind of assistance, and personally not only expressing concern but also advising about the kind of support that is to be provided. Now, about 13 of them have been shifted to the Narayana Hospital, which is located at the PS Medal Katra. And it's been conveyed to them on behalf of the Prime Minister also, that if required, any one of them needs to be shifted outside, that can be arranged accordingly. 2 of the, I think, injured are slightly more injured compared to the others.
It's terrible news to hear, right on the morning of the New Year's there, Mr. Jitendra. I hope they are taken well care of. Here we're looking at the stampede that's occurred owing to an argument that's broken out. Would you know what exactly happened at that moment when people began to push and pull each other?
Discussion or argument, whatever it was, it's difficult actually to say. 1 or 2 of them got pushed each other. So since the crowd was so heavy, so thickly packed, in the process the others got collaterally pushed. And in the confusion and the panic that ensued, they started running helter-skelter without actually knowing what had actually happened. So it tracked down, and that's how it happened. It's in gate number 3. There's been a trend in the last few years. There's heavy rush on the eve of the New Year. Earlier on, it used to be only on the festivals, the festive season. Now it's the New Year Eve is also becoming a preferred date for darshan.
Jitendra, this is also the time of the Omicron scare. In fact, now several rallies, several gatherings have already been banned owing to the COVID-19 fear. At a time like this, Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan has thousands of people there present to be part of their religious pilgrimage. Is there any curbs or restrictions as such, or any protocols that are mandatory to be followed?
I was just now talking to the CEO of the Shrine Board Trust, Mr. Ramesh Kumar. I was told that they had imposed certain curbs also, but maybe sometimes the public sentiment is so heavy on the eve of occasion that they were not able to manage whatever. I'm trying to still figure it out. I've been told that it has resumed now after short break. Yatra.
Any word on the number of people? Any estimate on the number of people currently present there?
No, I don't. I actually didn't talk about that aspect. But yes, they have now resumed it in a graded manner. That's what I've been told.
All right, a quick word of assurance to the family of those who are currently injured.
Of course, now there can be no compensation for the loss of life that has happened. So there's any compensation will be too less to console or compensate for the loss to the families, the bereaved families. Nevertheless, ex gratia payment has been announced by the Honorable Prime Minister, also by the UT administration. The injured are being taken care of, and if required, we are all in touch with each other. Arrangements will be made to ship them out as well.
Right. Sir, quick word on the arrangements that's made now for the rest of the pilgrims to ensure that they carry out their religious pilgrimage at ease. All right. Jitendra Singh there, Union Minister, assuring that the pilgrims currently at good hands. There was an argument that broke out, and post that people began to push and pull each other, and eventually a stampede that's reportedly killed 12 people at the Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan. A stampede that's occurred right after an argument. In fact, this happened at the Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine in Katra. 12 people have died. Casualties reported of people from Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, and one from Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the injured is being treated now. They've been taken to Narayana Hospital. According to Dr. Gopal, that the medical officer, block medical officer, at least 13 people have been injured. Rescue operations currently underway. Sunil G. Bhatt joining us on the phone line for more on that. Sunil, take us through exactly what are the what's the fallout here after the stampede. We believe 12 people have lost their lives. Many more have been injured. Is the pilgrimage back in order again for the rest of the devotees? Is it safe for them to venture out?
Well, Nabila, very terrible news coming in on the occasion of the New Year. Stampede, occurred at the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi post midnight. And what we are, learning from the officials that unfortunately 12 people have lost their lives in this incident, and 13 others have been injured in this particular incident. The administration has taken the injured to the hospital, and they are being, treated there. The priority is to save the lives. There are few injured people. Their condition is critical, but the doctors are trying their level best to save the lives. But unfortunately, 12 people have died in this incident, and what has come in the public domain now is that there was an argument that broke out between some devotees at the Bhavan area of Mata Vaishno Devi, and which led to this a commotion, and eventually a stampede broke out. So the administration, as soon as it came to know about this incident, ambulances were sent to the Bhavan area, and the injured were rushed to the hospital. The priority for the administration right now is to ensure to save as many lives as possible. But Nabila, questions are being raised as to how this kind of incident took place at the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi, because compared to other religious shrines of the country, the yatra which takes place at Mata Vaishno Devi shrine is conducted very professionally, and very rarely such incidents happen here. So investigation will be obviously done in this matter. But right now, the priority for the administration is to save the lives. And yesterday was 31st of December, the last day of 2021. That is why a large number of yatris had come. They wanted to pay obeisance on the occasion of the New Year. But unfortunately, this joyous occasion turned into a tragedy and 12 people lost their lives.
Absolutely tragic there. In fact, Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra was suspended for a little while. Here's the big news that we're currently tracking, bringing to you right here on India Today. While the stampede takes place, 12 people have died in the stampede here. Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra has finally resumed after officials took cognizance of the crowds, have now come out with protocols and, of course, more safety measures to ensure that the rest of them carry out their yatra at ease. Here, the Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra that was suspended for some time now resumed. All right, let me quickly cut across to a witness who, in fact, witnessed the entire incident. Sunil, if you are with us, what we understand is an argument that broke out led to the stampede. If you can give me an insight into what kind of argument, who are those people, was it general public and just a regular scuffle which escalated to a point of a stampede? Was it that, or was there any particular reason that this argument broke out?
Leela, as I said that, a large number of yatris had arrived at the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi to pay obeisance at the shrine on the occasion of the New Year. Since large number of yatris had assembled, they had congregated, so that is why an argument broke out between some yatris and which led to this stampede. That's what we are learning from our sources. But Nabila, questions are being raised as how this kind of incident took place at the shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi when this yatra is being regulated properly, and this yatra takes place in a very disciplined manner, very professionally. There is a professional body, Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine. This kind of incident has happened here, and it has now led to an investigation. And the authorities are trying to ascertain as to how this incident has happened. Although yatra has now resumed, but what happened late last night was very horrific. Post midnight, as I said, that a large number of yatris from different parts of the country had assembled.
We have joining us on the phone line Nityanand Rai, the Minister of State for Home Affairs of India, joining us on the phone line. Let's take a listen.
3 लोग गंभीर है, बाकी लोग का इलाज चल रहा है और स्वयं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी खुद इसकी निगरानी कर रहे हैं, निर्देशित कर रहे हैं, आवश्यक निर्देश भी दे रहे हैं और मिनट टू मिनट का खबर भी ले रहे हैं और खुद जितने संबंधित लोग हैं और जहां तक हो सकता है ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को बिल्कुल आप यह जानकर आपको यह कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री खुद एकदम बिल्कुल ग्राउंड लेवल से लेके और जहां तक ऊपर हो सकता है सब लोगों से खुद बात करके सब लोगों को इस दुख की घड़ी में वहां स्थिति को नियंत्रित करने, जो घायल है उसके इलाज और आगे व्यवस्था बनी रहे, इसलिए खुद वहां से निर्देशित भी कर रहे हैं। तो इस प्रकार की घटना घट गई है, बहुत ही घटना है। बाकी आगे वहाँ
एक सवाल तो ये है कि देखिए, एक तो ये संभावना थी कि नए साल में कुछ ऐसी ही भीड़ उमड़ेगी, क्या उसके मद्देनजर इंतजाम नहीं हुआ? दूसरा सवाल तो ये कि तीसरी लहर का खतरा हमारे सामने है, ऐसे में जो कोरोना गाइडलाइंस हैं जिनको प्रोटोकॉल के तौर पर फॉलो करना होता है वो भी नहीं हुआ। सर
देखिए, चूंकि संभावना तो रहती है 9 वर्ष पर निश्चित रूप से जो अभी तक देखा गया था और प्रशासन उस प्रकार की व्यवस्था में लगी हुई भी थी और नीचे से भीड़ को नियंत्रित करके ही भेजा जा रहा था, लेकिन गेट नंबर 3 के पास ज्यादा ही भीड़ इकट्ठी हो गई, क्योंकि नीचे से लोग आते जहां से दर्शन के लिए पंक्ति बनता है, गेट नंबर 3 के तरफ से लोग जाते हैं और निश्चित रूप से ज्यादा ही भीड़ हो गई थी। कोई डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना चाहिए थी, वो हो नहीं पाया, ज्यादा भीड़ और वहाँ की जो स्थिति है, प्रशासन निश्चित रूप से वहाँ इस चीज को नियंत्रित रखता है, लेकिन ढलान और अनबैलेंस और ज्यादा भीड़, आप यहाँ कहीं दो मत नहीं कि भीड़ ज्यादा इकट्ठी हो गई थी और यह भीड़ इतनी इकट्ठी नहीं होनी चाहिए थी, लेकिन आगे इसका ख्याल रखा जा रहा है और भीड़ अब बिल्कुल नियंत्रण में है और इसकी व्यवस्था बनी है।
लेकिन नित्यानंद जी, सवाल तो ये है ना कि 12 लोगों की जान चली गई सर, और उसके बाद अगर आगे ख्याल रखने की बात आप कर रहे हैं तो ये भी एक बड़ा सवाल है कि ख्याल उस वक्त क्यों नहीं रखा गया?
देखिए, उसमें भीड़ ज्यादा इकट्ठी हो गई थी और व्यवस्था तो अच्छी थी ही, भीड़ का इतना ज्यादा इकट्ठा न होना चाहिए था, लेकिन वह यह नहीं होना चाहिए। आगे इसका ख्याल रखा जा रहा है और वहाँ जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन भी पहुंच गई है, वहाँ के डीसी, वहाँ उस रेंज के डीआईजी भी पहुंच गए हैं, सीआरपीएफ के आईजी पहुंच रहे हैं, वहाँ सीआरपीएफ भी रहती है। लोकल जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन के सारे उस क्षेत्र के सारे अधिकारी वहाँ मौजूद हो गए हैं, व्यवस्था बनाई जा रही है और इस प्रकार से एक घटना तो बहुत दुखद है।
नित्यानंद जी, आपके पास देखिए सारी जानकारियां होंगी, अगर आप ये जानकारी दे पाए कि कितने बजे ये घटना हुई, कितने लोग घायलों की क्या संख्या है, कितने लोगों की मौत की पुष्टि आप तक अभी जानकारी पहुंची है, वो जरा बताइएगा।
जो जानकारी हम तक पहुंची है उसमें 12 लोगों की मौत हुई है और 13 लोग घायल हैं, जिसमें 2-3 लोग और गंभीर हैं और स्थिति बिल्कुल वहाँ नियंत्रण में है, व्यवस्था बना ली गई है और यह घटना लगभग 1:30 से 2 बजे मध्यरात्रि के बीच की है।
जी नित्यानंद जी, ये जो भीड़ हम देख रहे हैं उसके साथ ही कई बार प्रबंध ऐसा होता है कि लोगों के बीच में भी प्रशासन के कोई अधिकारी या जो भी इनको नियंत्रित कर रहे हैं उनके कोई अधिकारी या उनके प्रतिनिधि के तौर पर कोई होता है, यहाँ भीड़ में तो कोई ऐसा नजर नहीं आ रहा सर।
अधिकारी होते हैं वहाँ जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन के भी अधिकारी होते हैं, श्राइन बोर्ड भी इसका पूरी तरह से ख्याल रखता है, वहाँ सीआरपीएफ की भी तैनाती है, लोकल पुलिस की भी तैनाती होती है और वहाँ निश्चित रूप से प्रशासन के लोग वहाँ थे ही, लेकिन ज्यादा भीड़ हो गई। 2-3 लोगों की झड़प के कारण ढलान की वजह से लोग जो थे एक दूसरे पे गिरते गए, डिसबैलेंस होने से यह भगदड़ मची है। दुखद है निश्चित रूप से, लेकिन वहाँ प्रशासन की तैनाती थी, लेकिन 2-3 लोग आपस में झड़प और फिर अचानक इस तरह की झड़प और झड़प के कारण फिर एक ढलान की वजह से एक दूसरे पे गिरना इस दुखद घटना को ला दिया, जो बहुत ही दुखद है।
शुक्रिया आपका बहुत बहुत जुड़ने के लिए नित्यानंद राय जी, केंद्रीय मंत्री।
All right, you heard that. Authorities saying that they're keeping an eye closely, monitoring the situation, ensures that the yatra carries on safely for the rest of them. This is the assurance that's been given. But nonetheless, we're looking at, amid the COVID-19 pandemic, large crowds that have gathered there as well, owing to the New Year's Eve. Many of them who've landed up to pay their obeisance to the holy shrine. Let's take a quick listen to what the eyewitness had to say on this event.
नॉर्मल ये हो सकता है कि श्राइन बोर्ड ने जो भी लोगों को छोड़ा यहाँ से वो एज्यूम करके छोड़ा कि भाई आप वहाँ पे दर्शन करेंगे वापस आ जाएंगे, बट ये हो सकता है लोग वहाँ पे इकट्ठे हो गए, उन्होंने दर्शन करके वहीं पे रुक गए, तो वहाँ पे पूरा मास गैदरिंग हो गई। सर स्टैम्पेड ही हुआ है सर, स्टैम्पेड इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि लोग इतने ज़्यादा थे, रास्ता था नहीं, हर तरफ से आदमी सोचा था कि मैं निकल जाऊँ। जिसने दर्शन कर लिया वो भी सोचा था मैं पहले निकल जाऊँ, और जिसने दर्शन नहीं किया तो सोचा मैं पहले आके दर्शन कर लूँ। और बल्कि एक बार इससे पहले भी हुआ था, बट वो समहाउ बहुत माइनर था, उसमें किसी को चोट नहीं थी, कोई हताहत नहीं हुआ था, लोग ठीक ठाक थे।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Sunil Ji Bhatt joining us. Sunil, wasn't there any restriction when it comes to the number of people who are allowed to be part of the yatra? Considering we're looking at the COVID-19 pandemic looming large, there have been restrictions across states in India against any gatherings as such. We know that this pilgrimage is one of the most popular ones during the New Year's Eve. You have many devotees there landing up to pay their obeisance right at the start of the New Year's. And that's what we see here. Right after the strike of 12, people have rushed to the Mata Vaishno Devi shrine. In fact, they've tried to enter the Bhavan, many of them without slips in hand. And that led to an argument to break out. Wasn't there extra security, extra vigilance, considering it's a New Year's Eve?
Well, Nabila, as I said that on the occasion of the New Year, a large number of devotees had congregated there, and as reports are emerging that some of them were without yatri slips. So clearly, a large number of yatris had converged there. There was an argument that broke out between few people and which eventually led to this unfortunate incident in which 12 people have lost their lives and 13 others have been injured. Right now, the priority of the administration is to ensure that the injured receive proper treatment. Now, it has come to our notice that now the administration has also ordered a high-level inquiry into this entire incident. Compensation has also been announced by the government. 10 lakh rupees compensation has been announced for the kin of the dead, while 2 lakh rupees have been announced for the injured. So the government is trying to ensure that the injured receive the treatment, proper treatment, and the incident that has occurred in at the Bhavan, at the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi, has now led to inquiry being into this incident.
All right, stay with us, Sunil. In fact, we're currently tracking the story here. We're looking at the Prime Minister now, whose office has announced an ex gratia for the kin of those injured as well as those deceased. 2 lakhs for the family of those injured. The central government has announced an ex gratia of close to 10 lakh rupees for the family of those who have died in the stampede at the Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan in Katra. 2 lakhs that's been announced for those who have been injured. Remember, at least 12 people have lost their lives in the stampede. We're looking at large crowds that have gathered at the Mata Vaishno Devi shrine right on the first day of the New Year's. Post the strike of 12, you had devotees rushing in large numbers only to pay their obeisance at the holy shrine. In fact, many of them may not have had slips. Large gathering must have deterred authorities there to give them their pass to enter. But despite that, several of them have managed to enter the Bhavan. That resulted in arguments breaking out with push and pull, and eventually a stampede that took off where 12 people were killed. At least over a dozen have been injured and they're currently admitted at the Narayana Hospital. In fact, officials say that they're taking cognizance of the situation. Situation seems to be back to normal now because it was suspended. Yatra was suspended for a brief period post the stampede, and now the incident took place at 2:30 a.m. And now finally we believe that the Yatra has begun again. It's resumed. India Today continues to track this story, but for now, for